Hi, I'm Ginger Caskey, president of J.R. Caskey. J.R. Caskey offers full site development services, grading and excavating underground site utilities, and soil stabilization. We are North Carolina certified and Virginia certified in our DOT certifications of DBE and WBE. We're SWAM certified and we're HUB in North Carolina. We've gone 6 years without incident or injury. Safety is our #1 goal, sending each employee home every day to their family.
Hi, I'm Kenny Traer with J.R. Caskey, field superintendent for J.R. Caskey on this site. At this job, we've been contracted to dig a stormwater basin, and we're hauling the dirt out of this basin onto another part of the site to build an office building. We have dozers, loaders, off-road trucks, excavators, big and small, to fit any need we have. Caskey's got some good employees here, some very good supervision and some good operators, and I enjoy working with all of them.
I'm Tyler Caskey and I'm an estimator here at J.R. Caskey. I also do some of our droning and 3D mapping. We can set these pads out that gather information from cell towers, and that will then, once we fly over it, it will give us the data and give us northern, easting, and elevations. I deal with our soil stabilization. You come through and you add lime or cement straight to the soil or like an aggregate base, and the machine comes through, mixes it in. It can go up to 24 inches deep, and that just can completely change mud into good soil, or it can just give you an extra foundation that really provides for a lot longer lasting base for asphalt roads. I think our size helps definitely keep tight control, and everyone kind of has their individual role, and we go through and then we all tie it together. Ginger, she kind of hunts down the jobs, and then Beth reviews. She's great at finding the details and going through all that, and then Bryce is kind of our specialist on the dirt volumes.
My name is Beth Brubaker, and I am the estimating manager here at J.R. Caskey. I oversee basically the entire pre-construction process. After the estimate's put together, I'll sit down with the estimators before we take it downstairs to review with John Caskey. There's a good energy that goes on between us, talking back and forth and taking pride in putting the estimate together.
Hey, I'm John Caskey. I work here at J.R. Caskey. I do about everything from dump truck tires to accounts payable to estimating. There's not one function in here that I can't do. Started in 1985 after I moved up here from Louisiana. You know, DC area, Virginia's the only people that had jobs up here. So I moved up here and decided I'd buy a tractor and start excavating. We like the complex job, one that's just not a cut and dry job, one that gives us a little bit of a challenge. All our foremen are OSHA 30 certified. We've got our own safety director here that's certified to teach our safety classes. We've got everybody else at least a 10-hour OSHA. So we're very safety conscious. Working in construction a lot of times is tough. It's out there, you're in the rain, you're at night, you're in the sunshine, it's cold, it's hot. You know, I want them to be happy at what they're doing. I try to make their job as comfortable as I can with the equipment that we provide and what we do.
My name is Javier Lubano. I'm the operations manager at J.R. Caskey. Everything from planning to pre-planning to equipment mobilization, manpower, safety. If it involves manpower equipment on a job site, it's me. I've done everything from hospitals, K through 12, structured parking, vertical building, underground building, and now infrastructure. Without us, civil life isn't possible. Clean drinking water, sanitation, stormwater runoff, all the things that people take for granted are placed on our shoulders. But where we excel is where people don't want to. So if it's tight, if it's heavily orchestrated and it needs a lot of thought, planning, and execution, that's our forte. So what we're doing on 395 is an expansion of the HOV. It's literally adding the lane. Where Alan was working and going down there, that's a future lane going in and out.
I'm Alan with J.R. Caskey, utility foreman, out here on the 395 project up in DC. From Springfield, basically all the way to the Pentagon exit. Basically underground work for water drainage, that's the focus. Safety is a big concern on this site. Safety glasses when we're working, gloves at all times, reflective gear, the pants, spotting trucks, we have reflective wands to use, spotters to actually hand motion the equipment. we're not a number here. We have a lot of one-on-one, face-to-face discussions and interactions, so that just makes it close.
I like working here because we're a family, and we're together and we're facing the same challenges and we're doing it together. There's not many women in the business, and so I like to show them that a woman can really get in here just like the rest of them.
To be able to drive down the road and say, hey, we did that. Hey, that was something that we did as a group. To be able to see all the structures that we've done throughout the years, the sites, the buildings, the houses, homes, that's what keeps us motivated. I think that's a big part for all of us.